Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 50% and a stable Wi-Fi connection, because interruptions cause corrupted installs. Once done, open the security app, tap the three dots or settings, then About. You'll see a check for updates button, tap it now. This queries Xiaomi servers for the latest module. If an update appears, read the release notes briefly to see what changes. This explains why the update matters, such as vulnerability patches or stability fixes. Once the update is listed, tap Download and monitor the progress bar so you know it's fetching the package. Make sure to grant any requested permissions. Installers sometimes need temporary storage access to unpack files. While extracting, do not exit the security app or kill background tasks. The installer runs multiple steps in sequence and will resume only if allowed. After extraction, tap Install, and the device will apply changes. This can take several minutes, while services restart to integrate new. After installation, verify the new version in Security app About so you confirm success. This shows why the process worked. If features or definitions don't appear, reboot the phone to complete service restart and make sure Play Services and System Updater are current. If the update failed, clear the Security app cache, then retry the download. A corrupt cache often blocks installation. If problems persist, record the error message and try the update again after a short wait to avoid server overload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.